Welcome back to another episode of Edible Knowledge, bringing you the what's what of food from around the world. So, have you ever heard of this thing called spirulina? That's what we're talking about today. So let's start off with the most obvious question. What is spirulina? It's a mild-tasting blue-green microalgae, and many populations have been enjoying it for centuries. It grows naturally in freshwater lakes, rivers, and ponds. However, some scientists have said that if there is an adequate supply of the necessary elements, some species of spirulina can actually be grown in seawater. But let's go back a minute. Previously, I said that spirulina is a microalgae. What's a microalgae? Oh, I'm glad you asked. Microalgae are photosynthetic microorganisms capable of producing their own food from inorganic substances. I wish I could produce my own food. No, that'd be weird. Anyway, spirulina grows in microscopic spirals, and because they often stick together, makes them easy to harvest. Lake Texcoco in Mexico and Lake Chad in Africa are where you'll find the largest concentrations. Did you know it can also be called blue-green algae cyanobacteria? Cyanobacteria is a family of single-celled microbes. Spirulina can come in a bunch of different forms, for example, powdered, flakes, and pills. And it's often added into things like fruit drinks or smoothies. In just 1 tablespoon of the powdered form of spirulina, you will find 20 calories, 4.02 grams of protein, 0.54 grams of fat, 0 grams of fiber, and 1.67 grams of carbs. It also contains vitamins B1, B2, B3, copper, iron, magnesium, and potassium. It's a powerful antioxidant and contains anti-inflammatory properties. It may help in reducing blood pressure and in controlling blood sugar levels. It may also help to improve muscle strength and endurance. But be careful, spirulina can also act as an irritant to your immune system, and it might also interfere with your prescription drugs. In particular, immunosuppressant. It could also cause digestive discomfort and possibly nausea. However, these tend to be more for people that are trying it for the first time. Due to the possible presence of mercury and other heavy contaminants, many researchers believe that pregnant women probably shouldn't take it. Okay, so where does all this doubt come from? Well, some spirulina might be contaminated with toxic metals and harmful bacteria if it's grown in unsafe conditions. According to author Swathi Handu of StyleCraze.com, although spirulina is highly beneficial to our bodies, having it in the right doses matters. That dose ranges from 1 to 10 grams daily. So here are 5 things she suggests you should look for when deciding on which company to buy from. Number 1, the biochemical composition, meaning the coexisting microbes around the area. Number 2, what kind of exhaust gets into the water? Number 3, are the effluents treated before discharge? Number 4, the health of the local community. And finally, number 5, how the quality control of the body of water is done. So whatever company you decide to go with, make sure their spirulina is not only grown in controlled conditions, but also under strict health regulations. And my best advice to you is to speak to your family doctor before adding it to your diet. Everybody is different, so you might as well make sure if this is going to be a help or a hindrance. Alright guys, that's all I have for you this week. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, Subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below. Are you going to be trying out spirulina? Have you already tried it out? Is it part of your daily diet? Let me know. If you click over here, this is a video that I think you should watch. You're welcome. And if you click over here, this is a video that YouTube thinks that you should see from the huge amount of videos that we have on this channel. All right, guys, that was Edible Knowledge. I'm Andre, and I'll see you in the next video.